Welcome to our channel. When your new debit card arrives in the mail, activation is necessary before you can use it. Step 1. Carefully open the envelope containing your debit card and remove any attached stickers or protective coverings. Step 2. Locate the activation instructions included in the mailing, which typically provide a phone number or website for activation. Step 3. Call the activation phone number printed on the sticker or card carrier. Keep your card handy as you'll need to enter the card number. Step 4. Follow the automated voice prompts and enter your card number using your phone's keypad when requested. Step 5. Verify your identity by providing additional information such as your social security number, date of birth, or account number. Step 6. Create a personal identification number when prompted. Choose a 4-digit PIN that you can remember but isn't obvious. Step 7. Listen for the confirmation message indicating your card has been successfully activated. Step 8. Sign the back of your card immediately using a permanent marker in the signature panel. Your card is now ready to use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Keep your PIN confidential and store your card in a safe place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.